Thank you so much for staying here on the AM show. I have such a wide smile because I've got a pleasant surprise for you. So I'll tell you that surprise much later. But I've been joined by a rep from the new Crystal Hospital, Abednego. Hello, nice to meet you. And then I have Akuma Mamazimbi. Hello.
Hi, Benes.
Hello.
Medase. Lovely to see you again.
Lovely to see you too. I'm so excited to be talking to you. I have no
Same
idea.
here.
I grew up watching Akuma, and so it's a pleasure to have her here. She is the brand ambassador for New Crystal Hospital, and Abednego Sebi is the marketing manager of New Crystal Hospital. It's a pleasure to have you here. And New Crystal Hospital help us bring the live coverage of the National Science and Maths Quiz. We're so grateful for that. Let me start off with you. What is the New Crystal Hospital?
All right.
What do you have to offer us?
Okay. So good morning to you and good morning to our cherished viewers. New Crystal Hospital is a private hospital that is owned by Ghanaians and run by Ghanaians. And then we are the best private hospital in Ghana. Yes. We won the CIMG Private Health Facility of the Year.
Wow.
Yeah,
congratulations.
Thank you. We are ISO 5701 certified, and then 2701 and 901 certified. So we provide both primary and secondary healthcare. We have a lot of branches in Ashaiman, Tema, and then Ajekuju, Michelle Camp, and then Takoradi.
Wow, that's impressive, eh? New Crystal Hospital. And I'll come back to you to find out why you decided to sponsor the NSMQ. But let me speak to Akuma. You are the brand ambassador for New Crystal Hospital, and I know with your years of experience, your brand you have built over the years, this had to be a good one for you to accept to be a brand sponsor. Tell me what excites you about what New Crystal Hospital has to offer.
All right, thank you so much, and good morning to our cherished viewers. In fact, when the favor fell on me, because there were a lot of media personality out there, but the favor fell on me that they want me to be part and parcel of their hospital as to lead in most of the things they do. I embraced it. My team did a lot of research, and we saw that, hey, they have been there for years. And the research made us know that 90% they serve a lot of women. So it's like women's hospital.
Okay.
And then their facility and the equipment are enormous and it's affordable.
Okay.
They serve the grassroots. And if you check my background, I also serve the grassroots and I deal with a lot of women. I'm women's advocate and dealing with widows and other women. We've been in for 15 years. So when they came, I said, okay, they told me you already work for women already. So we know you can talk to them more because if you see their ultra-modern hospital now, looking at it, you say, I can't go there, but it's affordable. So they needed people like me to do a don't come here and tell everybody, hey, it is your hospital. Don't look at the beauty and the huge.
Think it's too expensive.
It's too expensive. No, it's for you and me and everybody. So, and they do a lot of things free for the women.
Okay.
Like just recent, we are in the month of October.
Yeah.
We did free scanning of breast screening. And as I speak, we are operating 20 and more women free.
Wow.
We are not taking anything from them. Wow. All you need is your NHIS. Nice. And for your family to say, yes, we wanted to do it, and that is it. Wow. So New Crystal Hospital is for all, and I'm so happy to be part and parcel of the hospital.
Thank you so much for the work you do, Akuma. Medase. So we're talking about the New Crystal Hospital, and Akuma just said it beautifully. It's about affordability, but having a world-class service attached to that. You don't usually get that because if it's a world-class service, it means you're going to pay huge amounts for it. So you should visit the New Crystal Hospital. How do we get in touch with you beyond, you've shared your locations with us, Ajenkotoku, Shaman, Takrade,
yes,
Michelle Camp.
Yeah.
So if we want to contact you for specific locations or to find out the specific services you offer, especially, sorry for my bias, women health care, how do we contact you? How do we find you on social media?
Okay, so sorry, before I come to that, let me say New Crystal, we have both primary and specialist services.
Okay.
So for parent, for instance, one key thing or one thing that is dear to you is for your baby to be able to call you mama or daddy. And at New Crystal Hospital, we have a pediatric clinic, and it's being managed by a specialist, and we have ultramodern resources or facilities. So for instance, if you give birth to a baby, we'll be able to screen the baby and know whether he can be able to speak or hear. And if there's an issue, we'll be able to diagnose, and early treatment is going to help. Aside that, our women, your skin is your beauty. And you need the confidence to show off your body. And at New Crystal Hospital, we have a skin specialist that anything that has to do with the skin, whether pimples, keloids, stretch marks, even if it's a tattoo you want to erase, we have the specialist that will help you to sort all that. And to our companies, we can help you in the medicals of your employees, both pre-employment or when the person is about to exit. So New Crystal Hospital, we have a variety of services that are very affordable, just like Mama Zimbi has said. So you can reach us out on our toll-free number, which is 0800 180 260. I take the number again, 0800 180 260. Or you can visit our website, www.newcrystalhealthservices.com, or follow us on the same channel on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram, New Crystal Health Services.
That's fantastic. I'm so excited that we have you here, because I know that many of us have health needs that must be met. And so when you talk about cleaning a tattoo, dealing with stress, these are things that, affect people's confidence.
Yes.
And so it's a good intervention that you have put in place. But let's talk about the NSMQ. Why is New Crystal Hospital sponsoring the NSMQ?
Great. So at New Crystal, if you look at our tagline is growing together in good health. And for us to be able to grow together in good health, it means we need the personnel. And the National Science and Maths Quiz proves to be one of the programs that helps to improve science and maths education in Ghana. And most of the students that comes up or goes through this program, most of them come into the health service or the health center. So we felt that this is an opportunity for us to contribute to education, to encourage and to support our young, brilliant students to study hard and become the manpower that the company and the country needs, so that we can all be able to grow together in good health.
Thank you so much. And the NSMQ, I know that many of you are looking forward to the finale, which is coming up sometime next week.
Yes.
And so stay with us for all the details of that. And New Crystal Hospital helps us bring you the live coverage of the National Science and Maths Quiz. Is your school still in the competition? No. My school didn't come out social media. I'm just offering support. But Mama Zimbi, I'll give you the last word.
Okay.
You've just told us beautifully what New Crystal Hospital has to offer. But, many women sometimes really delay in accessing health care. Even for the breast cancer, it's become quite a topical thing that early detection is always best. Whatever it is, even if it's a skin rash, whatever it is, we are so busy taking care of other people as women, as mothers. We've given our all, that we don't have time for ourselves. I want you to talk to the women.
Okay.
And tell them why they should visit New Crystal Hospital and why we should take our health very important.
All right. So that is why they came for me, because they know I can get to the women so easily, and by grace and favor, they listen. I remember a month ago, we went for market education, and I was talking to the women, and they just said, we didn't know. Wale, hey, menya. It's that affordable. And that woman was there. One of them had some rash. Then let's just look at her, give her a cream, checked her, and it was gone. So she also started telling everybody, hey, all of you get to New Crystal Hospital. When you have your NHIS, it's simple to go. Look, life, when you are gone, you're gone. And I tell them, don't wait till you can't take water. Please, in a year, get yourself, divide the year into 4. Every quarter, or 3, every quarter, go and have a general health check. All right? Don't think you are able to get up, you go and come, you eat all the food you have to eat, you drink all the water, and you're okay. No. What gets into our stomach, we never know. So please, let New Crystal Hospital be a hospital, and it's affordable for you.
Thank you so much, Akuma. Medase. Medase. Well wrapped up beautifully. Don't forget to go for your checkup. Akuma Mama Zimbi. See how she's looking young. I was watching her as a child, but she's still looking fresh and beautiful. And I know you gym as well. So so she knows what she's talking about when she talks about you visiting the New Crystal Hospital. And this morning she's been here to tell us why we should take our health important. She's a brand ambassador of New Crystal Hospital. And Abednego Sebi, thank you so much for joining me.
Thank you for having us.
Yes, please.
I knew I said I'll give her the last one, but you look like you want to say something.
Yes, please. Yes, please. So I just want to thank the management, our CEO, Dr. Wisdom Ambegletor, for the great work he's doing for the company and the nation at large. And at New Crystal Hospital, we are committed to giving quality healthcare to our clients. That is why we have invested in an ultra-modern 100-bed facility called the New Crystal Medical Mall.
You got to be there. I'll take you around. You love the place. Wow. Yeah. I'm sure you change your hospital to New Crystal Hospital. I'm telling you.
Yeah. This is fantastic.
So, that's the medical mall. And very superb facility. The personnel, the professionals, they are top-notch. So we want to recommend to you anything related to health, come to New Crystal Hospital, and you are going to be in a safe hands. We'll give you the best care that you need.
Fantastic. Thank you so much, Abednego Sibi. There, he's marketing manager of New Crystal Hospital. And this has been our conversation about the NSMQ New Crystal Hospital sponsorship of our live broadcast and why, like Mama Zimbi says, you should make New Crystal Hospital your hospital. Thank you so much for watching. We'll be back with more. Medase.